Start.
Okay, sir, start.
Okay. So here today we are going to understand what is gain ratio. Okay. Gain ratio under retirement whenever the partner exit. Okay. Whenever partners go out, then that time the share which he was enjoying will be distributed to the remaining partners. So the share which we give, that share is known as gain share. Yeah, you can also call it as gain ratio. So here gain ratio comes under retirement. Sometimes they will ask you in maths the following. Gain ratio opposite they will give you retirement of a partner. Understood? So you need to answer gain ratio comes under retirement. Understood? Sacrifice ratio comes under admission. New profit sharing ratio comes under again admission or retirement. Understood? So gain ratio, the formula is new ratio minus old ratio. Okay? So here for getting into touch with this particular thing, we will see one problem and we will do one or two problems. You will understand thoroughly. See here they have given Arjun, Anshul and Adarsh are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. First and the foremost thing, when you are doing this, okay, ratios especially, then that time see, highlight what is the information given in the problem. Okay, so first one is they have given old ratio. This is they were sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Understood? This is for Arjun, this is for Anshul, and this is for Akash. Okay, Adarsh, yeah, Akash. Somewhere they have given Akash. Okay, so here it is for Akash. Done, respectively. Then next information they have given is Anshul. He is retiring, right? The person who is in the middle, the second partner is retiring from the firm. Arjun and Akash agreed to share the future profit in the ratio of 3:1. So calculate gain ratio of Arjun and Akash. So now Anshul is retiring. So whatever the share enjoyed by Anshul will be distributed among the old partners to find out what actually they have paid because of exit of Anshul. Okay. So here first and the foremost thing, when you start with, first you need to write down the formula. Very important thing, I told you in ratio analysis also, and here also when you find this particular ratios, first write down the formula. Then you will come to know what are the things required for that formula. So first is, the formula says that GR is equals to NR, that is new ratio minus old ratio. This is the formula. So here in the problem, do we have new ratio? Yes, sir. New ratio is given, right? 3:1. And do we have old ratio? Yes, sir. Given in the problem? Yes, it is given. So requirement of the formula is fulfilled. Now we will write first one for Arjun. Arjun's gain ratio is equals to new ratio. What is the new ratio? 3:1, right? 3:1. So 3 plus 4
minus 2 by 5.
So it will be 3 divided by 4 minus, here what is the share of Arjun? 2. Correct? So 2 divided by 5 minus. Done? Then after that we will do cross multiplication. So 5 3s are 15 minus 4 2s are 8 divided by 2 5s are 20. Done? So when you minus, what is the answer you are getting? All of you are understanding, right? It's very simple. Gain ratio, where they will give you 6 marks for this. Done? So 15 minus 8 gives you 7 divided by 20. Over one part of the problem is done. The next we have is Adarsh. Adarsh gain ratio is equals to, so what is the new ratio of Adarsh? 1 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 5. Correct? So here numerator and denominator both are required. So numerator whatever is given and denominator add of all the sum of all the ratios. So here 2 plus 2 plus 1 gives you 1 and here 3 plus 1 4. Done? Now again do the cross multiplication. It comes 5 ones are 5 minus 4 ones are 4 divided by 4 fives are 20. So here it is 1 divided by 20. So now what is the summary of this 2? 7 divided by 20 is 2. 1 divided by 20. This common 20 get cancelled. 7 is 2. 1 is the G. Done? As simple as that. So just you need to minus. Don't get confused if you are minusing. You need to cross multiplication. Directly don't minus this. Okay? Do the cross multiplication and write down the amount. Done? Then next here again see one more question is given. PRS. You have understood this?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So PR and S are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of, see here again, old ratio is given, correct? That is 4:3:2. Then next, S is retiring. S retires from the firm. V and R agree to share the future profit, whatever future profit they have, equally. It means 1:1. Correct? Equally it means 1:1. So now first we will do analysis. What are the information given in the problem? So first for that we write the formula, right? So what is the formula? Gain ratio is equals to new ratio minus old ratio. Correct? So here you may get two questions for part 1. What is the formula for gain ratio? They will ask you for 1 mark question. So NR minus OR in short. New ratio minus old ratio. And one more question they will ask you for 1 mark is they will give you gain ratio in the match the following. One side they will give gain ratio and the answer side they will give you retirement of partner. So the answer for gain ratio is retirement. And for sacrifice ratio it's admission. New profit sharing ratio again retirement. Understood? And one more question you can get is revaluation account. If they give you admission, retirement, both the correct answer. Right? Revaluation account is prepared under admission as well as retirement. Whereas realization account is prepared under dissolution of firm. Realization meaning is releasing, selling of assets and paying of the liabilities. Revaluation is you are just revaluing. After addition of new partner, you are just reviving your assets and liabilities. Understood? So here we will come back to our thing. Gain ratio is equals to new ratio minus old ratio. So new ratio is what they have given. NR. NR is 1:1 and OR is 4:3:2. And who is getting out of the business? This is getting out of the business. Correct? S is going. S is the last partner, right? VRS. So S is going, so 2 gets cancelled here. Done? So now first we will find out what is B's gain ratio is equals to 4 divided by 4 plus 3 plus 2 9 minus 1 divided by 2. We'll do cross multiplication. 9 ones are 9. And what is
The new ratio minus old ratio.
sorry. Just change. New ratio minus old ratio, right? 1 divided by 2 minus 4 divided by 9. So we will do cross multiplication. So 9 ones are 9. 4 twos are 8. divided by
1 divided by 18.
So further simplification, 1 divided by 8. Over. Then next we are given as R's gain ratio. So R's gain ratio is equal to 1 divided by 2 minus 3 divided by. We'll do cross multiplication.
9 minus 6
9 minus 6
divided by 18.
divided by 18.
3 divided by 18.
3 divided by 18.
1 is to
Now we will do the simplification of this. So GR is equals to 1 divided by 18 is to 3 divided by 8. So when we remove this, GR is equals to 1 is to. Over? As simple as that. Clear?
Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates.